Hey friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn how to make money by streaming videos online. So while Twitch started as a gaming platform, it's quickly evolving to include other types of content also. Nowadays, Twitch streaming is an increasingly popular way to make money online. So to make money fast on Twitch, you will need to grow your following also. You will need to find a popular game or channel that isn't overly competitive so people can easily find your content. So in order to get people to notice your streamer, you will need to have a consistent style of your channel also. So is it going to be funny, educational, or entertaining? That is very important for your streaming channel. So choose your path and stick to it always. Okay, never change from one category to another category because that is always confusing. Whatever followings you are getting is there because of some category that you are posting on continuously basis. So if it's a funny channel, then the only audience that will be attaching to you is the who wants the funny content to be seen on every day. Okay, so that's why never change the category from one point to another point. So there are 5 ways to monetize your Twitch channel. Okay, selling products, then brand sponsorships, fan donations are there, subscriptions are there, and Twitch ads are also there. So these five ways will always keep your channel always motivated for you so that you can generate a revenue. As a Twitch streamer, you will want to focus on tapping into all the five monetization methods to ensure the highest financial gains. Never stick to only one. Okay, you always try to bring more sponsored ads to your Twitch channels. More like fan donations should be there, and Twitch ads obviously will be there by traditional way. With the right strategy and hard work, you can make a lot of money hosting the Twitch streams. Okay, so how to grow your audience on the Twitch and earn money with it? Okay, that is the main point you should be covering. Twitch is the go-to platform for the gamers. Okay, with more than 4 million broadcasters in each month and 17.5 million average daily users, all playing or watching other people play the video games. It's the biggest platform ever and biggest audience ever. So here is how to build your audience and start making money on the Twitch. Building a Twitch audience, you can't attract an audience on any online platform overnight. Okay, it's a long process and it's gonna take a lot of efforts. It's the same with the Twitch also. Successful channels like companies are built up over the years. Okay, not over the days or weeks. That you have to take into consideration. And it was a saying by Jordan Slavic. So an avid gamer who has advised like Twitch broadcaster on building a following. Okay, you must follow Jordan Slavic, who is the biggest streamer on the Twitch broadcaster. The most important thing is to keep producing materials. Okay, you might make a little money here and there at the first, but don't expect a steady income until you have put up in a lot of work actually. So if you are irregular in your Twitch streaming, then there might be a day when the followers will be less for your channel, but there will be more follower for the other channels where the consistency is always there or regularity is always there. So find your Nike first, whether it's a game genre or like other type of genre is there. If you're not the most skilled player, then for example, be funniest one and try to entertain the followers in that funny way. So set a regular streaming schedule also, so the fans know when to tune into your account. Okay, and use your existing social media accounts. For example, Twitter is there, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. to promote your Twitch broadcast. Okay, and support other Twitch users by watching and engaging with their streams also. Your marketing and networking skills are almost as important as your gaming skills. Okay, that's what Slavic says. Once you attract viewers, interact with them all the time so that they know that the real person is behind the curtains, who is always engaged with their followers, so that they can come again next week or the whatever schedule you will be having, and they will be engaged to your channel all the time. Okay, because always remember, audience is your way to make more money. So ask questions to your followers, like crack the jokes also sometimes, respond to the chats. Okay, that's the way to grow your followers more and more. An entertaining broadcaster gets fans to tune in the stream after stream. Okay, so how to make money with affiliate and donation strategy over Twitch? Okay, that is another part where many streamers are earning money. Okay, through the affiliates and donations. So if you have YG audience, like big audience on the Twitch, then so does your potential to earn money is also increasing. But there are few ways you can cash in as you are still growing your followings. Okay, Donations, like Twitch users like to support their own also. One of the main way they do this is by donating money to their favorite streamers. Okay, so that is the thing of the this era currently. There are lots of donations are going to the Twitch. Add a donate button to your channel first, okay, via PayPal or a third party app that is readily available. There is also Streamlabs, who is providing such a services, third party services from where you can add the donation button to your channel and let viewers show show you the money. Okay, so the brand partnership companies use Twitch streamers to get their products in front of people, and the streamers get you the kickback in return. Okay, so this is typically referred to as a partner or affiliate relationship, not to be confused with Twitch's partner and affiliate programs. Okay, because this strategy is different. Only you have to go to the sponsors directly and then approach them. Okay, you can publish their stuff on your channel while you are streaming to your followers. Okay, affiliate opportunities for Twitch streamers can come from companies that sell hardware and software, like energy drinks are there and accessories are there, such as headsets and chairs. Commissions vary, but for example, Razer, the hardware and software company, offers affiliates up to 20% commission on the sale of its products, okay, through the channel partner. So brands don't typically come to you unless you are a big time gamer, okay. So you will have to grow your audience first. You will have to grow your free followers first, so that you can advertise them. Because the Razer like companies are very big, okay. They will only advertise their product once they see a lot of people are already following you, and their product can be advertised directly to those followers. Let's say 1 million followers are there for an account, but there are only like 20 to 30,000 followers are there for another account. And obviously, they will go for 1 million account follower. And there are plenty of channels like that who are already doing this business. So you will have to like pick the pace first and start focusing more on the audience rather than just jumping into money making business. Okay, talk with other streamers to suss out the affiliate opportunities also, because since Twitch has like their own private chat platform from where you can communicate with other streamers also, get in touch with them and ask them their like strategy, how they have done growing of their account, so that you can also go for this one. Merchandise self, you have to dedicate an audience. Consider selling your own merchandise also, like thin t-shirts, stickers, coffee mugs, and laptop cases are there. Anyone who is following you must be liking you, so they can also purchase your products over the period of time. So just create a storefront, stock it with the items, and gearing your own design and or curated from other sources, and promote it your Twitch channel. Okay, so there are plenty of ways to do this. So I in this video I have covered almost how to start a Twitch channel and how to grow it through your audience, and what are the affiliate opportunities for this one. So guys, go ahead and start streaming the videos today if you're a game changer or game player. Thank you guys.